Hey pretty souls, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Pankhuri and I'm your hype girl. And today we're doing 10 questions with me as I get ready. I've almost done my makeup, but let's do the other things. Let's accessorize and do like some finishing touches to my makeup while I answer to my questions.
What is your name and where are you from?
So my name is Pankhuri Mehrotra and I live in Mumbai. I've always lived in Mumbai. I've been born and brought up here and it's called City of Dreams for a reason.
What you do for work?
So by profession, I am working at a US-based bank. I've been at this job for more than 2 years now. And apart from that, now that's the fun part. That's how I like to describe myself. I am a content creator. I love to dress up and I love to do fashion, beauty. I am also a YouTuber, as you can see right now, and this, I think so it's a lot. Yeah. I am a dancer. I love to dance. I am a creative person altogether. I need to have something creative. So I balance both my job, like the 9 to 5, and my creative side, that is the YouTube, Instagram. I am a professional model. I've modeled for a lot of designers, a lot of brands, and I just love being in front of the camera, getting my pictures clicked, posing. And I think so this has come from my mom because she likes to stand in front of the mirror whole day and look at herself. This is what she used to tell me that she used to do. So I think so I've just got it from her.
How old are you?
How old am I? I am. How old do you think I am? That's something that I ask everyone who gives me that question. So I just put it back on them, like, how old do you think I am? So I am 24. I just turned 24 in the month of May, and this is July. So yeah, freshly 24, I would say.
How many languages can you speak?
So I can speak Hindi, English. Hindi, my mother tongue. English, the second language. And I've also been trying to learn Spanish.
Can you speak a bit of Spanish for me?
Sure. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Me llamo Pankhuri. Soy 24 años. I also know the 1, 2, 3. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And a little bit of 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 6. And then it goes on. My learning journey of Spanish has always been inconsistent, I would say. But then I'm holding myself accountable here. And I would get back to learning Spanish. I had also started, the mistake that I did was I started learning Spanish and French all together, like साथ में. So when I was doing it together, that is when it kind of like messed and words got mixed. French, I'm not sure if the accent or the words are correct. Yeah, it says, bonjour, je m'appelle Pankhuri.
What's your favorite food?
I am a complete homesick person. I need to have ghar ka khana. I can't do bahar ka khana at all. Like, not my thing. Apart from that, I love ice cream. I just can't say no to it. So, yeah, you could say it's like a weakness kind of something, maybe. Yeah, but I don't like to use that word, weakness. It's just what makes me happy. I'm just opening a lot of new makeup right now that I've bought.
Describe yourself in 3 words starting with your initial.
That's a really nice question. I would say passionate, pretty, and persistent. Well, I'm all dressed up. I'll show you my outfit pretty soon, but this is the best I could manage.
What song are you currently listening
The song that
to?
I'm currently listening to is Lucky Girl by Carlina. And this has been like my forever song. I just love the lyrics, how it says that I'm a lucky girl and all good things come to me, flow to me, move through me, and everything works out for me. So this is what I really believe, and this is a song that I would say I listen to on daily.
Are you a mountain or beach person?
I am totally a beach person. I cannot do without water, and I think I thrive the best and I heal the best when I am in nature and I'm surrounded in water or by any water body. It has to be, could be, a lake, could be a lake, ocean, swimming pool. The minute I see water, I need to jump in there. So I've always been a beach person, and that's what I've taught me. Always be.
Anything you want to say to your subscribers?
Well, I would just like to say thank you so much for being a part of this journey, and I am super grateful for every one of you, each and every one of you, and I love you all so much. Each 144 of my subscribers. This journey is going to be super beautiful. I'm going to be leveling up as a person, and I would want you to come along on this journey with me. Support me. I've been receiving support from a lot of unknown guys of you, and I would really want us to be, on this journey together so that we could become the higher versions of ourselves, the versions that we always dream about but are too scared to, bring them to real life. But I'm sure with this channel, we are going to be our higher selves. So thank you so much for watching my videos, and thank you so much for subscribing. See you in the next video. Bye.